Exciting times, no? Grabe, as in, ever since 2021 na nag-start yung NFT space sa mundo ko, it has been a dream for me na makapunta dito sa NFT NYC. And representing the people sa Pilipinas, dyan sa Pilipinas, I'm so happy to bring a lot of opportunities sa Pilipinas. Ang goal kasi talaga natin dito is to onboard a lot of people to have these opportunities para makaangat tayo sa buhay. Kasi syempre, pag na-adapt natin yung technology na to, ma-adapt natin early na to, magkakaroon tayo ng advantage sa buong mundo into this technology. Kaya maganda ngayon, mag-aral tayo. Study everything you can about blockchain, NFTs, etc. Basta sa akin, nandito din ako to help you on board to that. Nandito ako para matulungan kayo magkaroon ng enough knowledge, matulungan kayo sa mga communities, etc. Kasi ito yung goal natin eh. Tulungan tayo. Ang goal ng Web3 kasi talaga is for the people, by the people. Tayong mga tao magpapatakbo nito. And this is a chance for me with my mantra. Mantra ko, bata pa lang ako, mantra ko is to change the world. And I have the opportunity to be part of that with this new thing that we call Web3. And so exciting. Holy si Gio Komiya. And see you soon.